Good morning, Jeff. This is Eric over at Toyota of Melbourne. Wanted to highlight this 12 Prius here for you. The 12 Prius is in nice shape. It did have a clear coat bra on it, which is starting to get some cracking in the clear coat. Not sure if that could be removed or not. We did not want to remove it only because we didn't want to disturb any of the paint. But the Prius is in very, very nice shape. It is a 2012. It's got a beige interior, which is extremely clean. Hence one of the reasons why we really didn't want to mess with that front bra, that clear coat bra. Again, very, very nice vehicle. No major dings, dents, or scratches. It is the sea glass foam color, which has been very, very popular, and this is a Prius that you can get for well under $10,000. My number, 321-254-8888, extension 274. And just to highlight that hood, that's kind of what's going on. And again, that's a plastic clear coat bra that's on there. 321-254-8888, extension 274.